Hello, welcome back to Sunshine Goddess Tarot. And I'm back to help you start a meditation for this winter solstice that's about to come up. I just want you to look into this candle and I want you to set your intentions of everything that you no longer want into your life. You want it to be released today. Today you will let go all of your bondage, all of your insecurities, all of the things that you do not want. Your thought process has changed. The words that are coming out of my mouth will change the molecular structure in your brain for you to change your negative thinking to positive thinking. To not to be scared of changing the way that you think. You will change immediately. You will change immediately. When you wake up in the morning, your thought process is going to be different than you normally think. As I speak that out of my mouth, your thoughts will be different as you hear this sound of my mouth. The thoughts that will enter into your brain is going to be like, wow, this is something that I should be doing, or is this what I want to do? When you start thinking, you're going to be thinking like, I was not even thinking of no such thing like that, but that new thought that you have in your mind from the sound of my mouth, that when you wake up tomorrow morning, your thought process will be different. Yes. I already set the intentions. I did the work, and all you got to do is set your intentions. And just after that, you're going to let it go. It is burnt up in the flames and is into the ethers to let them know what you want. The universe is going to work in your favor tonight. Yes. And you know what? Any kind of saying that are positive, you have to have belief in the words that you're hearing out of your mouth, out of your mind, that's in your thoughts. And from my mouth is how the intention is set to place the new thought into your mind. New thoughts into your mind. New thoughts into your mind. Report back to me and tell me what new thoughts came to your mind after you watched this video. It is done. So it be. Ashe. Namaste. Thank you for coming to my channel again, Sunshine Goddess Tarot. Giving you a reading through the candle today. What the Spirit wanted to tell you, that you need to listen to the sound of my voice, and your thoughts will be changed to think of something positive, of doing something more so courageous that you never even thought of, that you can't even fathom this thought that has come into your mind. Like this page, share this page, comment on this page, and tell me what you are thinking that's brand new, that's going to change your life today. Okay? Again, thank you. Happy winter solstice. Receive this energy and let's do some creative thinking. Peace, love, and lots and lots of blissfulness into your life.